Hi kids, I'm here with my daughter Claire, and I'd show you her face, but it would be an extreme close-up because we're right next to each other. And I'm going to show you how to join my class in Khan Academy and then go from there for your first lesson in geometry. Yay, geometry! So you will click on the link that I give you in Google Classroom and it will take you to this page for Khan Academy. Then you will click on log in. It'll say good to see you again, even though you probably haven't seen them before, and you will continue with Google like we do almost all the time. And now it says, oh look, you're here at Khan Academy. Now my daughter already has an account, so it kind of looks like this. But to add a teacher, go to Teachers. Then go to Join a Class, and you'll enter the code, which is 5CHBSGZD, and I've also included that back in the classroom. Then you'll click Join the Class. Oh, look, we've successfully joined the class. Now, immediately, here come the assignments. Take a look at that. My assignments. Terms and labels in geometry. And so if you look over on the right-hand side, there is a Start button. You click Start, and the first thing that you'll see is Sal Khan, the dude who founded Khan Academy, and it will be kind of an online video that teaches you how to do it. Once you've watched the video, up comes the next video. Thanks, and enjoy Khan Academy.